Yeah, bitches!
Okay guys, so in today's video, it's another challenge time. We are gonna do the vending machine only challenge also.
Yeah, let's do
This,
it.
this in theory should be easier than the legal only one, but we'll see.
Eh, eh. Maybe,
We're
maybe
gonna
not.
go retail
We
row
will see.
because I think there are two vending machines there.
Vending machines, I getting a weapon and
It's
start
an AR, it's an AR, it's an AR. We need 100 wood. But again, like other challenges, you can get weapons
Okay.
until we get the wood, and then we'll drop and only use that. Okay.
Okay.
So
Come on!
enjoy the weapons while you can. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. There's many players, but I think they are bots. That's why I said you only need 100 wood, as the AR is the only thing you can get. Until we find more vending machines, of course. So
There is one here,
okay, nice.
like at me.
Farm some wood and go to the AR first.
Oh my god, I hope there's a pump here.
At the one with the AR?
Yes. No, like the other one.
No, it's an SMG. It's okay. Again, you
I have
need
a player.
Did you take the AR?
Yeah. I have two players.
30 white. White it.
Dead.
Okay, I'm getting spammed. I need help.
Okay.
He jumped down.
Okay, I tried to get a...
You have only an AR, right?
Yeah. I dropped the other weapons. I don't need them.
I lasered him. One shot. Nice.
Nice.
And he had meds.
He had a motorla. But what is happening?
What?
Like, one is a weapon and the other ones are just campfire and...
I think this is how it is this season, maybe.
Bleh.
I know. Let's see what this one has. A sniper. Oh,
Okay.
Shotgun.
Shotgun, I have metal.
I have metal as well. One.
Huge, bro.
It is way more nice that the tactical actually looks like the OG one now, like the
Yeah,
bomb.
it's another aspect, like, it's perfect. Brick
So-
is important, so...
Oh, pump.
Eh. You should have them gone here first.
I'm taking the pump.
What is it? What
100 brick.
Okay. Ah, 100, okay. Come on.
Oh, there's a guy under this bridge. He's a real player. He put a trap. He rocketed himself.
Oh my god, somebody's rocketing from
Rocketing or grenading?
grenading. Sorry.
First one shot.
What the?
He has a hunting
got-
rifle, right?
Yes.
I'm putting a launch pad.
Oh, he destroyed the launch pad.
Oh, fuck.
This guy is such a moron, bro.
Do you have another launch pad?
No.
Do you have a campfire?
No, I don't have traps.
Yeah, I have a campfire and some bandages.
Okay, put it here.
Wait. Take bandage. Do you have wood for the campfire?
Yeah, I have 160.
Oh, wrong one. Stoke it, don't be greedy. Don't be greedy, stoke it. Yeah. I have 30 wood, so I'm gonna let you do the trick. Do you have shields?
No.
Nice, the campfire is clutch this season, bro.
I like the campfire thing.
Okay,
I wonder why it isn't in the normal game.
Yeah, true. Normal minis here. Normal minis.
Normal minis. Player.
More heals or movement.
Player!
Okay. It's a solo.
Okay. I'm gonna trust you here.
190. Full box. Dead. He's not a solo. I shot him through the floor. Okay, I finished him. Look what I found.
Oh.
Epic vending machine.
With what?
Scar and minigun.
Scar with how much?
200 metal.
Okay, I'm taking it.
Minigun not?
Nah.
You think the Scar is better?
I don't want to use all my mats.
You don't have that much brick as metal, right?
No, I didn't have brick enough like for the minigun.
Yeah, me neither. Like brick in OG Fortnite, you get metal more easier than brick, right?
Oh yes, definitely. Because there wasn't bricks to hide behind.
Let's go. They killed one of the duos, so let's go.
Okay.
35 to 1.
Okay,
Oh, he
let's go.
lasered me. I need help. He's behind the tree. Bro, just shoot him. Whited. He's whited.
Should I revive?
Yeah. And if he pushes, he's healing.
It's good.
Bro, don't stop reviving. Why didn't you shoot him faster?
Because I was behind you a little bit.
He's shooting me.
I can see that, but I'm lagging a little bit. I think we should just push him, bro.
I'm popping campfire. I'm spamming him. 35.
Oh, I hate this thing. He's retreating.
He's a solo, that's why. He's he popped a chug jug. Watch out.
I can't fight in the tree. Don't have mats for this.
Just chop him down. I chopped him down.
Yeah, but he has infinite materials.
Into his
got
box.
it.
He's dead.
I go down.
I got
I
into
don't
his
have
box. I
mats.
killed him. Okay?
Nice.
I'm dying to
2v2
storm.
v1.
Dying.
Oh, you
Oh,
really died.
you can carry me. You can carry me. Throw me. Nice.
Can revive in the open, I think.
I feel like you should have carried me a little more. Don't stop though.
Run.
Do you have traps or some
No.
heals? Two solos, okay?
You can do this.
One here. Okay.
Be careful,
No,
you're very low.
it's a duo, and it's bots. At least this guy was bot. Was a bot.
Okay.
Maybe you can win this. I have a slurp.
Thank you.
You have no heals left.
0 heals.
Okay, mini. It's a bot.
Yeah, this
Let's
guy's
go,
a bot.
bro. We got the challenge.
Actually,
first try.
let's fucking go.
We got the challenge first try.
Yeah. Today it's working for us.
Yeah. Okay, guys, like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, some more challenges. Type in the comments your ideas. See you next time.